This video is instructions for installing the cutoff fuel sensor. First, prepare the necessary materials for installation. 1 set of cutoff fuel sensors, 1 hacksaw, 1 sealant, 1 tape measure, 5 hexagonal sheet metal screws, 1 hand knife, 1 marker pen, 1 30 to 35 mm hole puncher, 1 hand drill, 1 pack tissue, 1 pair of tiger tongs, 1 crosshead screwdriver, 1 manual fuel pump, 1 plastic fuel hose. This truck fuel sensor default factory height is 70 centimeters. Because of different heights of fuel tank during actual use, need to cut off sensors on the site. After measurement, the fuel tank height is 62 centimeters, so reserved length for the sensor is 62 centimeters. At the sensor reserved 62 centimeters, make a mark with a marker pen. Prepare to cut off. After cutting, clean the cutoff surface and bottom with tools. After cleaning, take out the ABS plug. Install back to the sensor bottom. After cutting the sensor, must mark empty and full again. Firstly, use the manual oil pump to pump oil into a plastic oil tube. Ensure the oil volume in the oil pipe can submerge the oil outlet hole above the sensor. Then use handle controller to connect to sensor. You can first calibrate empty in the air. Press calibrate empty a key. Wait for the red light to stay on for a long time. Calibrate empty success after light off, but then insert the sensor into the oil pipe just now. Press calibrate full B key. Waiting for the red light to stay on. Turn off after 3 seconds. Calibrate full successfully. Here to introduce another sensors method for calibrate empty in full. First, unscrew the top of the sensor. Then connect the sensor to the corresponding power supply. You can first calibrate empty in the air. The light flashes 3 times. Finish the empty calibration. Then insert the sensor into the full oil pipe. Press calibrate full button, wait for the light to flash 3 times. Finish the full calibration. After finish the full and empty calibration, fix the top of the lid with anaerobic adhesive. Prevent others from accidentally touching. Till now, finish calibration. The sensor installation is mainly located in the middle of the fuel tank. Since the fuel tank have been installed multiple sensors, so we mark it in the best position. Preparing to open holes. First, drill the positioning hole. After drilling the positioning hole, clean surface aluminum shavings prevent to leak into the fuel tank. Finish the positioning hole, officially starting drilling. Pay attention to opening holes on the side first. Gently rotate when opening holes. Ensure that the holes are uniformly stressed, convenient for future operations. Clean the surface aluminum shavings after half piercing the hole. Use a Phillips screwdriver to lift one side. Simultaneously clamp the aluminum sheet with pliers. Complete hole opening. Finish the hole opening. Apply electronic sealant under the gasket. Pay attention not to apply too much. Install the electrical pavement in the center above the hole. Apply a certain amount of electronic sealant to the top of the gasket. Preparing to install fuel consumption sensor. Please note that the outlet should be on the other side of the oil tank hole. Convenient for wire deploy. After fixing, reinforce with screws. Apply sealant after installing the screws. Reinforce and cover the screws. Till now, finish calibration.